Gold against US dollar. This week has rise in value, and we can see that the price started the week with this bullish breakout about 2450.58, and then the price returned all the way back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as support, and then continue to rise in value. And we can see on a Friday a pretty strong momentum has pushed the price even higher and higher. The weekly time frame shows us a bullish breakout, which is a great information for the bulls, where it is expected for the price to continue to rise in value. The monthly time frame shows us a continuation of these bullish candles, where we can see this is the candle body and the lower wick. So we have 2 weeks more until this month closes, and anything can happen. But for now, everything still looks bullish, where the next target is 2550.00 as the next target. So the best is to wait and see on the lower time frames what happens. The weekly time frame shows me currently a bullish breakout, where there is a possibility that the price could return to 2450.58 just to confirm this bullish breakout, which means the previous resistance now will act as a support and push the price even higher. The daily time frame shows us more details, where we can see there is an open space for the price to reach 2550.00 as the next resistance after this one. So will the price continue to rise in value? I'm expecting that will happen, but there is a possibility that the price returns to 2471.30, where we can see the first support level from the current market price. Will that happen? And it can happen, but this is something that I'm expecting next week, that the price will continue to rise in value and reaching the next resistance level. When the price reaches this 2550.00 price level, we'll see what happens. Will the price continue to rise value after that, or it will bounce back down? But always I'm expecting, because this is all-time high price level, this is not possible to check in the past what the price has done around this price level. So anything can happen. But on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, I have put several levels in front, so I can see where the price could bounce and also what are the levels that I'm expecting. This will be shared with the traders inside the Telegram group. What are the next levels where the price could bounce and where the price could head in next week? Will the price bounce back down from this resistance, or it will make a bullish breakout, continue to rise value? Anything happen, but also the next levels where the price could reach will be put here using Fibonacci extension levels to see what are Fibonacci extensions, and also retracement levels where it is expected the price could return all the way back down or continue to rise in value. So for now, as a conclusion for the next week, I'm expecting that the price will continue to reach 2550.00 as the next target, but there is also a possibility that the price returns back down to 2450.58 just to confirm this support as a valid one. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.